guys, it's Sadie, and I'm sorry that I'm really quiet right now, but like I'm in the bathroom. Welcome back to my channel. So today, me and a few of my friends and my mom are going to a sunflower farm, and lately everybody's been obsessed with sunflowers, so I am so excited. Yeah, so I'm just gonna be vlogging today. It's gonna be a laid back video. Ignore my voice, I just woke up 7 seconds ago.
Swear. Hi guys, give me
You
a
be
clout.
my
Follow
woman,
me
my
on
wife. I
Instagram
promise
at
to love you for life.
At Gracie Brown with 2 N's and 2 underscores.
Follow me, Kenzie with 3 E's, Lee, L-E-A with 3 A's.
Clout. I need to turn.
We're not talking in third person.
Ever.
Gracie wants to turn.
Inhale.
Where is it?
I did. Oh my god, yeah. Wow. Kenzie's
Oh my
voice.
god. Oh my god.
Leon. Can't do this anymore. You take it.
Did it work?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You sound like a 3-year-old.
Tell me where it is.
Gracie,
I can't find the hole.
That's what he said.
Oh my god.
Oh
Oh my
just
god.
got
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Did you just put that whole thing in? I
You
can't.
want it?
Not after you slobbered all over it.
Sex is everything. I guess. I don't know. I ignore me. I gotta go. Bye.